For the public schools of Talavera North, Dr. Mario Artipula.
Maraming salamat po sa ating dalawang mahusay na MC. Pwede ba palakpakan natin silang dalawa? Isang mataas na uri po ng respeto ang ibinibigay ng inyong likod sa idolo ng bayan ng Talavera, idolo ng mga kabataan at katatandaan, ang gwapong-gwapo naming mayor. Palakpakan niya po natin si Mayor Aris. At syempre po, isang pagmamahal at mabuting buhay ang binibigay ng inyong lingkod sa ating mahal na School Division Superintendent, Sir Ronaldo A. Poson. Palakpakan niya po natin si Sir. Kasama po niya ang ating mabait at mapagmahal na ASDS, si Ma'am Michelle Mega. Palakpakan niya po. Ang ating pong napakahusay na CID Chief, wala pong iba kundi si Ma'am Jane Garcia. Pakipalakpakan po. At siyempre pa ang nasa likod ng matagumpay na Science and Technology Fair na ito, na si Ma'am Rosemary Burayan, ang EPS ng Science. Palakpakan niya po. Ang mga punong-guro na nandito na nakikibahagi sa tagumpay ng ating mga mag-aaral, kabilang ng mga advisors at mga researchers, palakpak nga po sa ating lahat. Totoo pong ang taga-Talavera ay masaya sa araw na ito dahil naging bahagi kami sa makasaysayang Science and Technology Fair ng ating divisyon ng Nueva Ecija. Hindi po pumayag ang ating mahal na mayor na hindi bigyan ng malaking sorpresa ang ating mga panauhing taga-DepEd Nueva Ecija. Tingnan niyo po ang paningal na amphitheater na ito. Dahil po yan sa pagsisikap ng ating punong-guro at ng mga science teachers sa Talavera National High School. Palakpakan po muli ang ating mayor at ang Talavera National High School. Sana ang aming layunin na mabigyan kayo ng magandang sorpresa, isang sorpresa rin sa DepEd ang maibigay ng bawat isa, lalo na ang may natatagong talino sa agham. Baka sakaling sa grupong ito, matanghal ang isang magaling na scientist, magaling na researcher, para malunasan kung ano ang problema ng ating bansa ngayon. Ang lahat po ng ito ay ibinibigay namin sa pangalan ng DepEd Talavera North, at sana muli hindi ito ang maging umpisa lang, kundi ito ang kaganapan ng pagtatagumpay ng Science and Technology sa DepEd Nueva Ecija. Muli po, magandang umaga at welcome po sa Talavera Nueva Ecija.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mario Artipula, for those inspiring words for us.
At this moment, we will hear a welcome message coming from a leader who is known for his humility, passion, and excellence in educational leadership. Please join us in welcoming here on stage the school principal for Talavera National High School, Sir Dennis L. Zanapio.
Bago po na nakabati mo po, una-una po sa ating pinagpipitagan Tagalang-galang ang kauna-unahang pong mayor ng Lalawigan ng Nueva Ecija na tumayo for good governance, ang aming pinakamamahal na mayor ng Bayan ng Talavera, Mayor Aris Gaboy. Mayor, salamat po. Sa ating, syempre kung champion si Mayor sa good governance, ang kampiyon naman ng ating division pagdating sa dalawa na yung word na hindi ko makakalimutan ni Sir, yung balance and opportunity sa ating pinakamamahal na schools division superintendent, Sir Ronaldo A. Boson. Sir, syempre sa napakabait at talaga naman nung araw pa, kampiyon na pagdating sa God, sa equality, sa aming pinakamamahal na Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Michelle Mega, ma'am. Siyempre po, sa kampiyon, pagdating naman sa Agama Teknolohiya, ang original, pinakamamahal natin si IDG, Ma'am Jane Manuel Garcia, ma'am. Salamat po sa inyong tiwala. Siyempre, sa napakasipag po natin, EPS ng Science, Ma'am Posy Brian, nandito na po natulog para po siguraduhin lahat po ay maayos. Ma'am, salamat po. At syempre po sa aming leader dito sa bayan ng Talavera North, ang aming pinakamamahal na TSDS, Ma'am Margo Ventura. Ma'am, salamat po sa inyong bukod po sa suporta. Number one sponsor po namin siya ngayong araw na ito. Ma'am, thank you po. Salamat po, ma'am. Sa ating lahat, sa aking mga kasamahang school head ng different school, sa mga department head ng science department, sa iba't ibang paaralan, teachers, trainers, researchers, magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. Magandang buhay, mabubuting tao, good morning sa ating lahat. It is my great honor as the school head of Talavera National High School to welcome you all to the opening program of the Division Science and Technology Fair, DSTF 2025. We are thrilled to host this prestigious event, and we are excited to see the innovative and scientific talents of our students shine. At Talavera National High School, we believe in nurturing the curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking skills of our learners. Today, we gather to celebrate the spirit of scientific inquiry and innovation that defines our division. This fair is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and passion of our students, teachers, and schools. I would like to extend my gratitude to the Schools Division Office of Nueva Ecija for entrusting us with the responsibility of hosting this event. We are committed to providing a conducive and supportive environment for our participants to showcase their talents. To our dear students, I urge you to enjoy this experience, learn from each other, and showcase your innovative ideas and projects. Your participation is a testament to your commitment to excellence and your passion for science and technology. Let us celebrate the spirit of scientific inquiry, innovation, and excellence. Let us learn from each other. Let us make this event a memorable one. Mabuhay ang batang Novoecijanos. Mabuhay ang Agama Teknolohiya. Thank you, and let the Division Science and Technology Fair 2025 begin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Master Dennis, for your inspiring words, and also for welcoming all of us here as the host of this year's Division Science and Technology Fair.
To give us a deeper understanding of the purpose of today's significant event, may we call on the woman whose expertise and tireless support for curriculum and instruction guide the professional growth of our educators and academic success of our students. Let us welcome here on stage the Chief of the Curriculum Implementation Division, Dr. Jane
Thank you very much po sa ating napakahusay na mga Masters of Ceremonies. Congratulations po sa kanila. To our school's division superintendent, Dr. Ronaldo A. Bosol, our assistant school's division superintendent, Dr. Michelle Medica, to our beloved Mayor Alice Gaboylin, to the district supervisor, Dr. Attorney Marilu Benaventura, to the school principal, Sir Dennis Serapio, our science supervisor, Mrs. Rosemary Buraya, to all the principals, teachers, and to everyone who are here today, a pleasant good morning to each and every one of you. Kanina, papunta po ako dito, no? Parang wala yata ako sa Nueva Ecija, ha? Wow, Talavera. Palakpakan ko natin ang Talavera. Nakakaganda. Parang dapat dito yata yung mission office, ha? Ang ganda. So, congratulations po sa lahat po ng nandito sa Talavera, starting with our mayor, syempre, our district supervisor, our principal, syempre, yung mga dating principal tumulong din sa dito, no? Today we are celebrating the Division Science and Technology Fair na umpisa last week. Continuation, we have so many contests. Napakadami na. May quiz, elementary hanggang secondary, may poster making, slogan contest, investigatory projects, and release. When Facebook reminds me of all those years, nami-miss ko yung mga trainings and the competitions, napakasaya. Siyempre, when I was a teacher, yung umpisa yan, 37 years ago, we always have the yearly Science Club Month celebration. Sana bumalik yun, buong month ng September noon. We have activities. And it ends with the Division Science Fair as a culminating activity. Nung ako kanina, I was reminded of my elementary years. Lagi din ako sumasali sa mga contest. Kaya lang, sumasali ako, never yata ako nanalo na. Never ako naging champion, never. Pero, pinapakaramdaman ko naman yung sarili ko. Masaya ako, kahit di ako nanalo, yung spirit of competing nandoon. Masaya na lumaban, makasama ang mahuhusay ng mga estudyante. Kagaya ninyo. So, manalo, matalo, panalo na rin. So, yan lamang aking message sa inyo. Manalo, matalo, masaya tayo. Panalo na rin yun. Congratulations po sa ating lahat. Umaga.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jane, for reminding us the reason for this Division Science and Technology Fair, which is to ignite curiosity and empower learners through science and innovation.
At this point, let us listen to an inspirational message coming from the man whose dedication, leadership, and vision have been instrumental in shaping our community for the better. Please join us in welcoming a public servant who tirelessly advocates for progress, inclusivity, and good governance.
sa ating pong division head, kay Ma'am Marilu Buenaventura, sorry. Sa ating pong district supervisor, I stand corrected. Sa lahat po ng principals, sa lahat ng guro na nandito ngayon, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. While I entered this amphitheater, I couldn't help but I couldn't contain myself sa excitement dahil today, we don't just celebrate the Science and Technology Fair, but we also celebrate the first use of our brand new state-of-the-art amphitheater. And kaya hindi ko po mapigilan ang aking excitement because I'm imagining all the possibilities na pwedeng mangyari dito sa amphitheater na to. At nais ko pong gamitin itong pagkakataon na to upang magpasalamat sa ating Congresswoman dahil binigyan niya tayo ng kauna-unahang amphitheater not just in the province, not just in the district, but in the whole region. Kaya maraming salamat. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Congresswoman. This venue, I hope that it represents a symbol and it represents innovation and progress, just like the brilliant minds gathered here today. Science and technology is something that pushes us to dream. Thank you. Meron lang po akong tatlong message, tatlong points na gusto kong i-share sa lahat ng kabataan na nandito ngayon. First point is innovation with purpose. When we innovate, it's not just about inventing gadgets, it's about using our knowledge to improve lives. One of the greatest inventions in this generation, the iPhone. And Steve Jobs started with one question. Why? He started with why. And when you start with why, I believe na mas magiging successful ang inyong mga innovations, inventions, or whatever use for science and technology, because you do it with purpose, with the purpose of trying to improve the lives of the people around you. Pangalawa, curiosity leads to progress. All great discoveries begin with what if. What if I do this? What if I try? Curiosity is the spark that ignites invention. It pushes us to challenge comfort zones and fuel our desire to learn. So sa mga kabataan na dito ngayon, never lose that childlike curiosity, because every question you ask, every attempt you make brings you closer to solutions that shape the future. And lastly, science for community. Science and technology are not only for classrooms and laboratories, they belong to the people. When we use science to solve local problems such as agriculture, from agriculture to health, from environment to education, we transform knowledge into empowerment. So let our mission be science that serves, technology that uplifts, and innovation that includes everyone. Sa lahat ng kabataan na nandito ngayon, I challenge you all not just to live up to expectations, but to challenge expectations. Our generation are called disruptors for a reason. Let us continue breaking old traditions and patterns that hold us back, and start building a town, a province, and a nation that is braver, smarter, and better with one idea, one innovation, and one act of courage at a time. I hope ito pong bulwagan na ito ay maging symbol ng progress and hope. May it echo with the voices
And now, here's another information number from the creative and talented students of Talavera National High School. The special program in the arts, Mananayan. Wow, what an electrifying performance coming from the DHS Special Program in the Arts.
Napaka-husay nila, Sir Neil, ano? Parang naalala ko tuloy yung pamalaan.
Mag-interview tayo sa labas.
Nanonood ako sa kanila, ano? Well, anyway.
Hindi nga, oo nga. Mahirap na sabihin. Lalabas ko yun.
Okay, and now let's hear from the heart of our division leadership. Those who continuously empower our teachers and students to reach greater heights.
Let's first hear a message from a leader who embodies commitment, professionalism, and a deep sense of purpose in advancing quality education. Let's give a warm round of applause to our
Maraming salamat Sir Neil and Ma'am Edralyn. Pareho tayo nararamdaman habang sumasayaw sila. Parang ako nga din yung dati, yung pumapalakpak. Ang ating pong pagbati siyempre sa ating napakagwapo, napakahusay. At ang pinakamaganda ngayon, even if he's talking about good governance, si Sir Danny Acoba, Ma'am Jean, Sir Dennis, ang ating pong bagong